Now, research shows that the lack of capital is one of the main reasons business fail. That's not really a surprise either. That's why helping business owners build credit is one of the many things I teach in the 30-Day Credit Repair Agency program. Oh, by the way, my name is Dominic Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and of course the location freedom that you deserve. And I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. If you're not yet in my 30-Day CRA program, I'll give you a few business credit tips here. The first step of building business credit is going legit. You should definitely incorporate in your state of choice, obtain your EIN, and open a business bank account. You have to do this. It'll be very tough to get business credit that you deserve if you don't have these things like a business. Next, make a spreadsheet with your business revenue and expenses because credit card companies may ask for this information when you apply. Now, I personally like to automate this step by using a bookkeeping software like QuickBooks Online. Now, what if you're not making a lot of money right now? Of course, that's okay. Most places where you obtain your business bank account will still extend business credit card to your new business, but the initial credit limit may be a little bit smaller, but the business credit line can increase as you start making more money and establish a payment history. On that note, here's my final point. When you get approved for business credit through vendors or credit card companies, always pay on time. This is essential. Payment history is one of the most important factors that go into your business credit score. So make sure you set up automatic payments so you never miss paying your bill. If you want to learn more about business credit, I go into more detail on my credit hacks in the Business Credit Mastery bonus of the 30-Day CRA program. Something else to keep in mind. Personal credit may also be checked when you apply for business funding. A 680 and above personal credit should be your goal. Here are my top tips for getting your personal credit score strong. Always pay on time. Keep your personal credit card balances low. Don't close cards because that could lower your credit history age. Pull your credit reports regularly and dispute bad, incorrect, or unverifiable records. And having records removed can do wonders for your credit score. Now, I'll share even more insider tips on repairing your personal credit in the 30-Day CRA program. That's a wrap, folks. A few business owners did reach out to me hurting for cash, so I wanted to share a bit of advice for all my people who might need funding in the next 60 days. Talk to you soon. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.